Hi, I'm Jamie and I'm from Vic Morass Gas and Heating. Gas boilers have been in people's homes since the 1950s. There are three main types: combi, conventional and system. I've been in the industry for over 2 decades, and in that time I've worked on the majority of boilers out there. I stock the majority of service and repair parts on my van so that I can get most jobs completed efficiently on a first visit. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of a standard boiler service from myself. We make sure your boiler's running safely and efficiently and help to prolong the life of the boiler and giving you, the customer, a value for money service. Firstly, I will check around the boiler for any obvious faults, then refer to the system's computer for any fault codes that may have occurred since its last service. Refer to manufacturer's instructions to see what the requirements are for this specific boiler. I will then look to clean out the magnetic filter, take a system water quality test, and check inhibitor levels within the system. As you see from my test results, this is clean. Next, I will open up the boiler and visually check everywhere within the boiler, starting off with the electrodes, expansion vessel, AAV, pressure within the boiler, or any types of leaks on the system. I will then look to recharge the expansion vessel to 1 bar, or the system requirement. Operate the boiler in a service mode. With my analyzer, I will then check the burner seals on the boiler, also the internal flue seals on the boiler to make sure it was safe. With an analyzer, I would do a combustion test to make sure that the boiler was safe and operating towards manufacturer's instructions. At the same time, I would test the CO alarm. I will run the boiler in minimum and maximum mode and do this test several times. Once happy, I would then do a flue integrity test. I will then do a gas inlet pressure and gas rate test to make sure it was sufficient. I would then also visually check the flue. The boiler, I would check the hot water temperature coming out of the tap. Would then go round, bleed your radiators, make sure you've got no air, and then check inhibitor levels once again. Fill out your service record and then send you a service certificate with photos attached via email. I hope you enjoyed that little video. This is a standard boiler service. Please look at my other videos for a full stripped down boiler service where I would look to open up the main heat exchanger and thoroughly clean it out with the tools required. All the best.